Good afternoon, students. Today we will do these sums, division sums, where we have to circle the remainder. Circle the remainder in the following problems. These sums are already solved. We have to circle the remainder. Remainder means the leftover. So here we have divided 38 by 5. 38 is dividend, 5 is divisor, and 7 is quotient. And which will be the remainder? The leftover number is remainder. So we have to circle this one. In all questions, whatever is left, we have to circle that one. This is remainder. In question, we were asked circle the remainder. So we have circled the remainder. Now see how we have divided 38. We have to divide 38 by 5. So we will speak the table of 5. But we don't get 38 in table of 5. Like 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So we will just keep on speaking the table of 5 and we will see 5 sevens are 35 and 5 eights are 40. So we did not get 38. 38 is not coming in table of 5. So what we have to do, we have to take the smallest number, smaller number than this 38. So which smaller number will be there? Less than 38 means smaller than 38, that will be 35. 5 sevens are 35. So then we have subtracted and we got the remainder 3. So same ways we have to divide. See, 41 divided by 8. We have to see if 41 is coming in table of 8, then we will just divide with that. Or if 41 is not coming in table of 8, we have to take the smaller number than 41. So 8 fives are 40. 8 fives are 40 and 8 sixes are 48. So 48 will be greater than 41. So we have to take 8 fives are 40. So this way we subtracted and we got the remainder 1. Here 92 divided by 10. So 10 nines are 90. 10 tens are 100. So we will divide 10 nines are 90. And here we will get remainder 2. 58 divided by 6. 6 nines are 54. So 58 is not coming in table of 6. We have to take the smaller number than 58. So 6 nines are 54. This way we have to do division. These sums are already solved. We just have to circle the remainder. But I make you understand the concept how we have to divide. How we have to divide the dividends by divisor. So I have explained you the method of division. Same ways you have to solve these division sums. Fine. We have to find out the remainder. 28 minus 27. You just have to subtract. 3 nines are 27 because 28 is not coming in table of 3. So we have taken the smaller number. 3 nines are 27. Fine. 6 are 36. 40 is not coming in table of 6. So 6 6 are 36. 7 threes are 21 because 25 is not coming, so we will take the smaller number. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. So we have to take the smaller number. 9 eights are 72. So these are the remainders. These sums you have to do it in your book and later on we will do the practice in notebook also.